Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant who could answer your questions, help you study, write notes, and even prepare for exams? That's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. Hi, I'm Pao Zamon from Moon Coaching Center. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT effectively so that you can save time, learn faster, and prepare smarter, whether for SSC, bank, UPSC, or any competitive exam. Now, let's talk. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, create summaries, explain concepts, generate practice questions, and even help you make study plans. But remember, it's not a replacement for your brain. You still have to verify the answers. In this video, I'll show you how to assess ChatGPT. That's the main goal for this video. Before that, I'll tell you how to write better prompts. Your results depend on your question. This is called prompt engineering. Always include number one, topic, what you want. Number two, include context, example type, level, or format. Number three, include the outcome, what you expect to produce, so that ChatGPT will give you better solution for you. All right. Now I'll share my screen and I'll show you how to access ChatGPT. All right. So that we can make notes together from the next lesson. Can you see my screen? All right. Let's type here ChatGPT. Press enter. We come to this page. Click ChatGPT/OpenAI and it will bring you to this page. Can you see start now with arrow mark? We'll click this one and we come to this page. Click login. Login. Welcome back. Email address, continue. If you have Google account, click continue with Google. I'll use continue with Google. I'll click this one. Now we come to this page. Our ChatGPT is ready to use. We can type any question here. I'm using ChatGPT 4.0. You can use free version. In free version, we can give limited prompt. Before watching the next video, make sure you access your ChatGPT. From the next video, we'll start make notes. I'll see you inside here.